Ako po ay hindi sinungaling. Ayokong bulahin ng taong bayan. Lahat tayo dito sa plenaryo ngayon ay may kaalaman na talamak ang vote buying at umaabot sa daan-daang milyon on average at minsan bilyon-bilyon ang mga kampanya ng mga kandidato sa Pilipinas. Kaya kung sino man dito ang magtatayo at magsasabi na kasinungalingan ang sinasabi ko na umaabot sa daan-daang milyon, at the very least ang ginagastos ng ibang mga kandidato na nandito sa plenaryo ng Kongreso ngayon, hindi ako mahihiya na magsabi na sila ang sinungaling at ako ay nagsasabi ng totoo.
Yes, we heard the motion of Representative Garin on the deletion or striking out of those portions or parts of the privileged speech without basis. I am very interested as to exactly are those, specifically, because during the break, during the suspension, this representation approached Representative Leviste, and I was asking him about his claim, the general claim, that everybody in this hall has engaged in vote buying. So I was telling him, can you please withdraw that particular portion because we find it offensive. For the record, this representation does not engage in any vote buying in any elections, including the last elections of 2025. And I remember Representative Leviste saying that he is willing to withdraw that particular portion. So may we ask Representative Leviste if in fact that is the case, that he has withdrawn, that he is withdrawing that portion because it has no basis, it has no evidence, it's purely speculative, it's offensive, it's unfair to everybody here in this hall. Can we have the answer, please? Because that is a parliamentary
Majority Leader
inquiry.
to respond.
Mr. Speaker, while we appreciate the sentiments of the Honorable Laila de Lima, I believe part of what she was espousing with regards to the contents of the speech was already part of the motion that be stricken off. Was already part of the motion in which parts of the speech be stricken off in which there was no basis, fact, or evidence.
I understand, Mr. Speaker and Mr. Majority Leader, but we would want it from the mouth himself of Representative Leviste about that withdrawal.
Majority Leader.
Mr.
It's
Speaker,
not just striking out, it's in fact withdrawal on his part.
that being the
Pwede po ba?
case, Mr. Speaker, I move to recognize the Honorable Leviste.
Thank you,
The
Mr.
Honorable
Speaker.
Leviste is now recognized.
First, I would like to clarify that I meant that there are some, but not all. And there are many members of Congress who do not violate election laws. So please do not consider that I said that all. And I definitely withdraw that there are...
Mr. Speaker, the request of this representation is that it's with respect to the withdrawal. No need for any explanation. Is he withdrawing?
Yes, but I think also
portion of the speech.
for the benefit of the
Majority
people who are
Leader.
listening,
Mr. Speaker,
I
Majority Leader,
believe that
order.
party lists
Doesn't need
that are not
Majority Leader.
not by votes for the most part. And
Mr.
that,
Speaker.
there are many districts in this country where you also don't buy votes, but there are some that do.
Majority
so
Leader.
Some,
yes,
not all.
Mr. Speaker,
Yes.
given the withdrawal, I move, or I would like to repeat the motion that we refer the question of collective and personal privilege to the Honorable Leviste, to the Committee on Rules, as well as its
The
interpellation.
floor
I
has
so move.
decided already and was referred to the Committee on Rules. Majority Leader.
Mr. Speaker, I move to suspend session.
Session suspended.